Zempire is known as one of New Zealand's top camping gear companies ensuring quality tents. Take the 4-person Prot TM V2 for instance. It inflates in under 2 minutes. Then there's the Pro 3 V2, which can fit 8 people and has a clever design with special light diffusing fabric in the sleeping area. But it's worth noting that Zempire tents come at a higher price. The Pro 3 V2, for example, goes for $3,634. Artificial intelligence algorithms have found their way into our bedrooms. Take the hot circle blanket for example. It automatically manages heating using smart algorithms. This blanket adjusts to the user's location and the weather conditions, offering 7 heating levels and reaching a maximum temperature of 50 degrees Celsius. You can get Hot Circle in 2 sizes. The model measuring 180 by 100 centimeters costs $219, and the one measuring 180 by 150 centimeters is sold for $269. Paxos has come up with a great way of selling backpacks. They took a regular backpack and added a swinging bottom section to it, and that's it. Now they sell their invention for $200 to $130. The swing part can carry up to 2.3 kilograms of items while the whole backpack has a 30 L capacity. It comes with external and internal pockets, a ventilated back, and a waist strap just like other backpacks. Hats off to Paxos for their patents on this. Looking to keep your feet dry in any season while preventing odors and dirt on your socks? That's what Nonstop 2.0 can do. These amazing socks are breathable yet they keep water out. They're also resilient against dust and dirt, and there's no need for spray treatments. All this is possible thanks to the special fabric. In fact, it's so durable that you can even walk in these socks without shoes. You can get 3 pairs of these amazing socks for $63. The only pump you'll ever need, say the creators of the 01 pump. This pump can provide up to 0.04 atmospheres of pressure and pumps air at a rate of 300 L per minute. It's also useful for vacuum bagging and can serve as a 2,700 mAh power bank. Additionally, it includes a built-in light and a magnetic mount. The pump is available for $59. The team behind Nebula Mars 3 has quite a story to share. They've created the world's first outdoor use projector. The Nebula M3 can project a 200-inch screen with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. The projector's brightness reaches 1000 NSI lumens. Thanks to its 185 Wh battery, you can enjoy 5 hours of movies in one go. You can purchase the Nebula Mars 3 for $1,050. It makes sense to add a screen to your projector, and that's where the OEG 92L sellers step in. This 92-inch diagonal screen is suitable for HD, 4K, and even 3D movies. It comes with a frame, supports, mounts, and a carrying bag. The price for the OEG 92L is $88. This is a device called Spark that lets you charge your smartphone, tablet, and other gadgets using fire. It may sound hard to believe, but its principle of operation is actually quite simple. The gadget resembles a unique mug with a plate on one end. You place one end of the plate in the fire while the other end touches the mug filled with cold water. This temperature difference generates about 2 to 5 watts of energy, which is enough to charge a smartphone in around 2 hours. Spark is priced at $100. Nomad Kitchen offers a deluxe mobile kitchen. In the original setup, this kitchen is priced at $1,200. It comes with a pull-out design complete with a sink, a compact cooking space, a drawer for a 2-burner stove, and other conveniences. When folded up, this kitchen can easily fit behind the rear seats of a car. Now let's talk about this portable light known as Goal Zero Skylight. The creators believe it's suitable not just for leisure but also for work. This light can be adjusted in height from 1.2 to 3.6 m, and when set to its maximum height it can illuminate an area up to 92 square meters. A full charge provides up to 8 hours of lighting, and its warm glow can help create a cozy ambience. You can get this light for $300. When you're at a camping site with various gadgets, you need to find a way to keep them charged. The Balder portable charging station can come to your aid. Its 288 Wh battery can be charged using a regular socket, a car cigarette lighter, or a solar panel. With a fully charged Baldry, you can charge 4 laptops or 22 smartphones. While doing so, the station safeguards your gadgets from overcharging and short circuits. You can purchase the Baldry for $150. This propane burner makes high-tech camping even better. With a 9 kilograms propane tank, it can keep you going for around 26 hours. It's lightweight at 1.4 kilograms and offers all the perks of a campfire without the wood and smoke hassles. You can pick one up for $129. Meet Tanki, the world's first portable 25L shower with a built-in battery. The creators went with a 10Ah battery, which means that it can work for weeks on a single charge. Plus, thanks to the USB ports, you can use Tanki as a power bank. The shower body warms up nicely in the sun and stays warm for about 3 to 4 hours. You can pre-order Tanki for $244. The future of furniture is already here thanks to Anker MG. They've designed a versatile table that works in both apartments and camping sites. Inside the table, the Anker MG team integrated a 20,000 mAh battery, wireless charging, Bluetooth stereo speakers, and RGB lighting. The table's legs fold and there's a built-in mini handle for easy carrying. You can purchase this table for $139. Since 1979, the number of mosquitoes worldwide has gone up by 71%. The 3D Flow jacket offers a solution. It has good airflow and a special net similar to what beekeepers use. The material keeps mosquitoes out but still lets air through. You can get this jacket for $229. Camping wouldn't be complete without a handy fan with a built-in flashlight, right? Meet Hopwin, a model boasting a 10,000 mAh battery that keeps the fan going for 18 hours. Even at its maximum noise level, it's as quiet as a TV at medium volume. If you only use the flashlight, it can last for 45 hours on a single charge. The fan weighs 800 g and comes at a price of $61. Shoppers who are willing to spend more than $200 on a portable shower probably have enough money for an upgrade like Ensuite. It features a floor made of bamboo slats concealing the shower water collection system underneath. Standing on Ensuite is more comfortable than standing on bare ground, and the collected water can be reused. Ensuite is priced at $251. RBM Outdoors inflatable tents offer such comfort that they're even used on glamping sites. The Panda Air tent can accommodate up to 8 people and is suitable for vacations nearly all year long as the temperature stays above 0 degrees Celsius. This tent covers an area of 12 square meters and is priced at $1,580. If you want to bring a touch of warmth to your tent, consider these mini lamps from Japan. They come with clips, making it easy to attach them anywhere. These flashlights run on CR2032 batteries, with one battery providing up to 100 hours of light. You can get a set of 10 flashlights and 20 batteries for $29. Now you can get a glimpse of the world's most potent household mosquito repeller, the EMR3. This device creates a mosquito-free zone with a range of 9.1 m. You'll notice the effect in as little as 15 minutes. A fully charged 10,400 mAh device will offer 6 hours of outdoor protection and 12 indoors. When you purchase it with 10 mats, the repeller costs $72. The folks behind Water Warmer think they've got the best outdoor water heater. It can warm up 3.8 L of water to 80 degrees Celsius in just 2 minutes with 5 temperature options ranging from 20 to 100 degrees Celsius. It can also clean water using electrolysis. You can grab one for $169. Camping enthusiasts often need to make room in their backpacks for utensils. Hideaway provides folding bowls and cups to simplify packing and storage. The 0.9 L folded bowl is only 2.5 centimeters thick. However, it comes with a price tag of $550.